Start here with the permission to let go, to let go of anything that you were engaged with before this, anything you are thinking about for later, the past, the future. You have permission to let go of that and be present now. And so much of what we talk about in meditation practice is around awareness and equanimity. How can we know our experience, connect with it, while also having this sense of equanimity, this balance, not being pushed and pulled, but instead allowing experiences to be known and allowing them to pass. It's quite a radical idea to have this deep sense of okayness with things as they are. And so, as we're settling in here, I want you to try bringing to mind this idea during this practice session that everything is as it is. You might even like to think that everything is perfect as it is. And perfect here is this sense that things are exactly how they need to be. Not necessarily your idea of perfect, but instead this simple quality of this or thusness, suchness. In the Buddhist tradition, especially the later traditions, there's this understanding that all beings have Buddha nature. All beings have awakened awareness. It might be temporarily obscured, but it's something that is available. And so I'd like you to sit with this confidence of Buddha nature. Sit like a Buddha. Trusting this awareness. Sitting in a way that is balanced and poised, still and calm. And if you happen to be lying down, then lie like a Buddha. And do your best here to be as still as you can. See if it's possible to notice and be aware of any urge to move. And if you do need to move, that's perfectly fine. Just doing so, noticing, being mindful. And so now I'd like you to notice any sounds that you can hear. There's a particular way of tuning into the sounds that I'd like you to try, which is to hear the whole soundscape. There might be individual sounds that are distinct, but try to hear it like it's a symphony. You're hearing the whole orchestra at once, rather than noticing one particular instrument. It might help here to imagine stepping back, taking more of a panoramic hearing stance. Or you might like to imagine this whole sphere as this large area of awareness, taking it all in. Allowing the body to relax, allowing the mind to settle. And now tune into the body sensations. I'd like you to try taking the same approach here. You might notice distinct body sensations, the feeling in the hands, the feeling of being supported. And then you can also step back and tune into overall feeling of the body, an open awareness of the whole body space. And this is the symphony of the body. all of the individual sensations that make up the felt sense, the overall texture or tone of the whole body. It might help to imagine expanding awareness to that whole body space so that the awareness is a little bigger, the body. Perhaps it's like a balloon or a bubble that encapsulates the body. And within that, allowing body sensations to arise and pass. And here you are taking a stance of allowing, welcoming. You might even find it helpful to repeat a few words, few intentions. Open, soften, allow. Open, soften, allow. Try dropping that in and then listening, seeing what comes back, seeing how the body responds. Continuing with this open awareness of the body space. And the last instruction I'll offer here is to allow your awareness to expand. So it includes the body, but it also includes thoughts and emotions, sounds, the sense of space. And with this open awareness, fully allowing all of these sensations to arise and pass, recognizing that each sensation, each thought, each sound, these are like clouds briefly obscuring the awareness, like clouds briefly obscuring the sky. Noticing that these forms are like the waves of the ocean, ripples on the surface. And the waves are not separate from the ocean itself. Allowing awareness to be open and expansive, and allowing all of these ripples, all the clouds to come and go.